First, place the bicycle bracket in the correct position on the bicycle, and line up the hose with the mounting bracket before inserting the screw. Next, use the screwdriver to turn its screw clockwise slowly until the bracket is attached securely to the bicycle frame. Then tighten all the screws one by one with the screwdriver, making sure that each screw is firm but not to try to avoid damaging the basket. After that, gently shake the bicycle basket to check whether it is stable, and tighten any loose screw again if necessary. Finally, inspect the basket carefully to make sure all the screws are secure and the basket is ready to carry your belongings safely while riding.
Thank you.